Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete block number on iPhone. First, you have to go to settings. Now scroll down and click on apps. Now find phone application. Now here it is, click on it. Now scroll down and you'll find block contacts. Click on it. Now from here, you will find the contact list that you have blocked. But unfortunately, there is no direct delete option. All you can do is unblock them by swiping left and you will find the unblock option. Simply click on it to unblock the number on your iPhone. And if you delete the call history of the block number, then you can go to your calls and in the recent tab you will find all the call numbers that are connected with you recently. Now search the number from the list that you want to delete. Do the same. You just need to swipe left and you will find a trash icon. Simply click on it to delete the number from your recent tab or the caller history. That's how you can delete block numbers or unblock your block numbers on iPhone. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.